Experience the electric fireplace that changes everything. The Inception from SimpliFire. Authentic digital flames come to life thanks to DigitalSpark technology, which combines the latest in imaging technology and fire content to deliver a true-to-life fireside experience. Customize your fire visuals with your choice of backgrounds, including gas and wood burns, and enhance the ambience with optional sound effects like crackling wood. You'll create a relaxing retreat with true-to-life flames, hand-painted logs, and LED embers. Easily run the Inception using the SimpliFire app, remote control, or voice command with smart technology. You can adjust the heat, brightness, and timer remotely. There's even a thermostat setting. Installing the Inception is very simple, as no gas line or venting is needed. You can build it into your wall with a thin profile that hardly takes up floor space, or choose the optional Wescott mantel kit for a built-in look. No need for construction. Inception is the future of electric fireplaces here now. Get a closer look at SimpliFire.com to find your local dealer today.